Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. All right, y'all. It's air fryer. I told you an Instant Pot. I got an Instant Pot over there working around there with a secret recipe. Y'all probably see before you see this one. But I got 3 Instant Pots, y'all. I own 3. This is I call my limousine because it's like an actual oven. And it's a rotisserie in here too. And I'm going to show y'all later on this summer how to do rotisserie chickens in here. I got a rotisserie attachment in here. And I did this last year on my old school soul food deal of the week. I think they had this for like $50. It cost about 130, but with the discount it came out like maybe 50 bucks. So I hope y'all took advantage of that when I did the old school. A lot of people don't do the deal of the week, they don't pay no attention, then later on they be wondering where I get all this equipment. This is a nice piece of equipment. But I'm gonna do some lemon pepper chicken wings today in it, y'all. Very easy process. To me it takes a little bit longer, but a lot of healthy for you until I start tossing with the lemon pepper seasoning with the butter, and then we'll go to health out the door. So anyway, y'all, first thing I'm gonna do, I'll set this chicken aside. And I'm gonna make the little, I like to bread mine in flour and dust it in flour before. So I'm gonna season my flour. I ain't gonna season the chicken as much. Put a little shake in there. And a little CAVENDERS. Now the chicken, move this out the way here. Right back. Chicken here, let me mix this up right quick. Put that up in there. That's gonna be my seasoned flour for my chicken. Put that up in there. Now my chicken here, it's gonna have lemon pepper twice. I'm gonna have it on the sauce and I'm gonna have it right on the chicken. If it's lemon pepper, you want a little taste of lemon pepper, right? That's what I think. I'll put that in there. Toss it up in there. Get it all tossed up there. The reason I use flour because this chicken is so wet, and I need something to kind of, number one, dry it out as it's frying. If I put it here wet, it's not gonna really crisp up like I want it to do. So I developed toss it with flour. Make sure you get all the flour off of it. I'm gonna show y'all in a second. And put it right on the pan. Got all that tossed in there. Now, what I'm gonna do? This up here. I got my bag. Y'all know I do my shake and bake thingy. Put my flour in my big bag. I'm in a big bag. Y'all know my favorite store. Look at that. Y'all already know. My favorite store. Y'all ask where I get stuff. That's where I get it from. Bed Bath Beyond. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put all this chicken in here. We're going to toss all this together. I got the flats in here, the tips. I know most people flat. Let me know which one your favorite. Well, I like the flats. Some people like the drums. And I know a co-worker would fight over these little tips. There ain't no meat on them, but we're going to fight you for them. You don't have to fight. I told you you don't have to fight me for them things. I ain't going to eat them. Okay. Toss this up in here. Really, really good. Just good and tossed. Now, what I'm going to do, get my spray here. I got my pan here. Let me spray this really, really good. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put these wings, I'm going to dust all the flours I can off, and I'm going to lay them on here as good as I can. I'm going to have to double stack these, y'all. But I got some more wings in pan. But that's okay. That's okay, y'all. We'll do the chips at the last. We'll do the chips last, y'all. We'll get the most important ones on there first. Which is the flats and the drums here. Might not do the chips at all. A little bit more. Now, try to get them as far as possible. Like I say, I got a lot here, so I'm gonna try to get them all on there as possible. Sure got one more flat there. Right there. Another flat here. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. All I got left in there is chips. I'll do that later. Okay, now, y'all know you have to spray this with the Vaseline. I'm gonna let it cook about 20 minutes on one side. We're gonna come back. We're gonna turn them over. And we're gonna, and this here, y'all, is just canola oil in here. You can use butter. You can use garlic. You know, they have different sprays. But you wanna spray it really, really good. Now, I'm gonna put it over here. I'm gonna fry it here. There we go. Hold this up. Now, there's a setting on here automatically. What's going on here? Hold on, y'all. Hold on here. Just a second, y'all. There we go. I guess that one didn't work. Okay. All right. 350 degrees. Let's set the time on this thing. 20 minutes. There we go. There we go. Says start. There we go. 350 degrees, 20 minutes. I'm going to come back. And then after 20 minutes, we're going to flip them over. I'm going to check them after 15 to make sure. But after 20 minutes go on, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna flip them over. But I don't think once I flip them over, I shouldn't have to go another 20 minutes. We just gotta kind of check it with chicken, because all chicken is different depending on how cold it is, how thick it is. It's a different method when you're cooking chicken. So you just gotta kind of watch it. You know, 165, 180. I like to go 180 on chicken. But yeah. But anyway, y'all, we'll be back in 20 minutes when I flip it over. We're gonna, matter of fact, I'm gonna come back in a second. In a second, we're gonna make the sauce for this, so it'll be already ready when the wings get ready, and then we'll have it already tossed. We'll be right back. We'll make the sauce. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, now we're gonna make the sauce for this. 3 items, y'all. Very simple. It's butter, lemon pepper, of course, and lemon juice. Let me tell y'all something. When you're making a sauce for the chicken, especially like buffalo wing sauce and chicken wing sauce, to make sure the sauce clings to the chicken, it's gotta have some acidity in it to work with the butter. You know, when you're making hot wing sauce, you put in hot sauce which has acidity in it, you add it to the butter, it makes it coat so much well. If I put this butter in here, just with this here lemon pepper, it's gonna coat, but it's not gonna cling to it. So I need some acidity. What's the best acidity to use, y'all? Lemon juice. So anyway, let's get started, y'all. I got butter here, and I don't want to boil this, y'all. All I want to do is bring all this together. All I want to do is bring this together, y'all. Slowly but surely. Don't boil it, because you boil it, you're going to pretty much split the sauce. Okay. I'm going to add a lemon juice to this. Get that all mixed up in there together. Making a lemon, like making a lemon butter sauce, y'all. That's all you're doing. Lemon butter sauce for the chicken wings. Then we're gonna put our lemon pepper in here. Put as little as much as you want, y'all. I like the wings to taste like lemon pepper. If they're gonna taste like lemon pepper wings, you gotta put some lemon pepper in there. All I'm doing, y'all, is bring this to a, just melting this together. I don't want to bring it to a boil. I'm gonna mess up my stove too in the process. See that, y'all? That's all I want to do. I'm actually gonna taste this. See that, y'all? I'm gonna turn this off and let the residual heat melt the rest of the butter. I turn it off and just let the whatever the left heat is left, just melt the butter. You don't want to bring it to a boil. Just melting it together, just incorporating all the ingredients. That's all you do. I'm gonna taste this. See how it's had a thick, it's not running. See how it's kind of thick thing? Oh yeah. It definitely got that. You know what I'm gonna do here at the end? I don't think I'm gonna have to do it. I might do this, add some salt and pepper, but I think everything's gonna work together. You're not seasoning the chicken and the flour. So that's it, y'all. That's it for the sauce. See how thick it is? Got a thickness to it. If you try to just melt the butter with the lemon pepper, y'all, you just gonna have water. This has a thickness to it. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna let that just hang out right there. And we'll be back here when the chicken rings are completely done. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, y'all, what I need to do now, y'all can see them right here. Now, see how nice and round it is? Now, what I'm gonna do, y'all, all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna flip them over here. Try not to disturb the flour. And we're gonna spray the other side. And the other side, y'all, I'm gonna do 25 minutes on the other side. Make sure they get nice and color on them, crispy. But I do not want to disturb the flour on it. I gotta be very careful as I'm flipping them over. Here. As much as possible. There we go. Now, let me spray the other side here. Just spray on them. Get a nice spray on there, y'all. And I'm gonna go 25 minutes on the other side. I want to get them nice and crispy. And there we go here. 350. Where's my timer here? I'm gonna go we'll do 26 minutes. And we'll be back, y'all, when those are ready. And we'll toss them in the sauce. And we'll be ready to eat them. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, y'all, let me show y'all what we got here. See that? Nice golden brown. Got that little crispy skin. And they are definitely perfectly cooked. I did these for almost 45 minutes, y'all. So what I'm gonna do now, put them over here in my bowl. Nice in there. You can just hear the crispiness of the chicken here, y'all. Definitely hear the crispiness. Definitely want to make sure your chicken is done. Throw that in the water here. Now, some of this nice sauce that I got here. Some of this nice sauce that we made. So all I'm gonna do, pour that sauce right up on top of there. Nice lemon pepper sauce. Take a spatula here. Toss it in there. Look at that, y'all. I'm gonna let all that lemon pepper sauce just soak right up into them wings, y'all. It's gonna soak all that goodness up in there. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let this soak in here about 3 or 4 minutes. I'm gonna step off, and we're gonna come back. I'm gonna have it all plated up here. We're gonna come back here. We're definitely gonna try them out here. The key is to make sure it soak up all that goodness. You know, all that nice lemon pepper sauce. Yeah. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back here in a few minutes, and I'm gonna plate them up. We're gonna have ranch with one, blue cheese with the other. We'll see which one's better. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, y'all, like I said, I got one with blue cheese. I got one with ranch, buttermilk ranch there, y'all. Like I say, y'all, I like the flats here, and y'all know it's perfectly cooked, of course. See how it come off the bone there? Perfectly cooked. It's crispy. Of course, even when I put the we're perfectly seasoned too. Remember, I seasoned the flour and the chicken. Look at that. Look how easy that bone come out. Hold on, where'd the bone go? There it is. See that? Broke off. Try this again. I let Dylan try. He won't ran for his. I'm all about the, like I say, y'all, perfectly seasoned. A little crispness on the chicken. But do it all in the air fryer. Only butter you have with the, you really don't have to add the sauce if you don't want the sauce. But The salt actually takes it over the top. Well, I tell y'all all the time when I make chicken wings, stop going to Wingstop and all them places. You can make chicken wings better than they can in them. So I've been in there, I've tasted there. They're dry, they're flavorless, they have no flavor in them places. But anyway, y'all, just wanted a little video here. Air fryer. There's gonna be a lot of more coming in the next 2 weeks and months throughout the summer. Air fryer and Instant Pot. So anyway, y'all, let me close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.